Hey guys, in today's video I'm making a rig for my sculptures. This is just made from my wire mesh and coated it with primer so it won't rust. Priming it all over, covering all the wires. Prime. In this part I'm cutting it in two. Now I'm gonna paint it with black acrylic paint because it blends well on my wall and looks great. Now I'm mounting it on my wall using a thumbtacks. Lastly, mounting them one by one, and I'm just using an aluminum wire to hold them in place. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. Comment down below what you think and share it to your friends. And if you're new, please consider subscribing, and see you on the next video.